boys and girls. I'm so glad that you've joined us for some fun in the kitchen. I have some special helpers today. I have Carter and Ben and Pei-Ying and Travis. And I also have a question for you guys. Who's had fresh spring rolls?
Me! What is it?
Oh, well, I'm glad you asked, because that's what we're going to make today, and I think you're going to love them. Oh, boys and girls, I think you're going to like them too. And you know what? You can watch how we make them on the show, and then you know what? You can get your adults to help you go on our Tiny Tot website, and you can get the recipe. Okay, let's get started. You know what I like about this is because lots of fresh vegetables. And that's really healthy, isn't it?
Yummy.
Okay, I'm going to show you how to do a carrot. I've already done some grated carrot for you, but I thought maybe you'd like to see how a carrot's grated.
I've grated a carrot before.
You have? Well, maybe I'll let you do it then, because you got to be really careful.
Miss Cinda, I get a carrot with my aunt before.
You did? Oh, well, I'm going to peel this really fast. And then when you're grating a carrot, what do you have to be careful about?
The salt right there.
That's right.
And will chop you and it'll hurt.
It'll hurt your finger? Yeah. So, look it. Would you guys like to try this? You go like this. Do you see this?
I want to do that.
You want to try it?
Carrot.
Okay, now you have to be very, very careful, because if you get your finger here, it'll take your skin off.
What about up here?
See? Look.
Like that. I
Look.
do that before with my aunt.
Okay.
I'm going to do it. I do that before with my aunt, my own self.
Oh, okay. Let's see you do it. You can try it. Oh, gotta press hard. Good job. Okay, let's let Travis try it. Okay. Now make sure you don't do this by yourselves. You make sure that there's an adult with you, okay?
Okay.
Good job, Travis. And you don't want to get your hand here. Let's let Ben and Carter do it. You don't want to get your hand down real close, because it'll get your skin. Oh, Ben, you have done this before. Oh, you're gonna have our whole carrot done. Okay, let's let Carter try it.
Oops.
Oh, and what does Miss Cinda say about messes?
We
You can throw it. You can put it right here, because I'm gonna throw that away.
We have fun cleaning it, right?
We have fun cleaning up, don't we? It's okay to make a mess, because we can have fun cleaning it up.
Yep.
Carter, good job. Boy, you guys are gonna be good cooks.
I
Okay.
want to try again.
You want to try one more time?
Me too.
Well, we want to get making our spring rolls. Let's do it real fast, Pei-Ying. Good job. Oh, you were watching Ben do it, weren't you, Pei-Ying? Yes, you learned. Okay. Let me put this up, because I just wanted to show you guys how to do that.
Miss Cinda, because my mommy gave me paperwork to write it, and I remember, and I learned.
Oh, she did? Okay, here's what we're going to use. This is spring rolls.
It's Chinese.
Well, I don't actually know, because you know what? They have them in Vietnam. They have them in Taiwan. Okay, don't touch them, though, because you know what? These are...
What is this?
Those are rice noodles. And we've already cooked them. But see how hard this is? Wait, feel it real careful. You want to feel it? Okay, now wait. I'm going to show you how to do it. Just 1 minute, Pei-Ying. I've got some water that I've already got hot. And I'm going to start... Let me start right over here.
Miss Cinda.
What, Pei-Ying? Now,
you go to Taiwan and you go to my grandma's house, Taiwan.
uh-huh.
And she gave you that?
And she, no, Oh, Miss Cinda went to the store. You can buy them here. Okay, watch me, because you guys are each going to do this, okay? So look how I'm getting it all wet. And what's happening as it's getting wet?
It's softening.
It's getting soft, isn't it? So you want to be really careful. Did you see how I broke a little corner off? So you've got to be really careful when you first put it in. I really need little bit bigger bowls for you, but it's not quite soft enough. I'll show you when it's really soft. Oh, it's getting there. It's almost soft enough. Do you see this? Mm-hmm. And you guys see? I'll come over here and help you guys do one. Okay, and then, just a minute, Pei-Ying, then watch. You're gonna go like this, pick it up. You have to be really careful. Pick it up because it's really thin. Now, we're gonna go like this. Then, you're gonna put a few noodles in, like this. And then you'll put a little bit of carrot in. Who washed their hands before they came in the kitchen?
Me.
Good thing, because you get to use your fingers today. We always want to wash our hands before we start cooking, don't we?
Yes.
Okay. And then here's
Put one of those in?
Okay. You know what this is? Miss Cinda's already got some tofu.
Yeah, tofu.
And I stir-fried some tofu. And let's get a piece of lettuce. Now,
I love tofu.
watch how I'm going to do this. Now, you have to do this very careful, guys, because it will tear. So you put it like this, then you put it like this, then you put like this.
That's
I can get that noodle in there.
That's like
And then watch. I'm going to roll like this.
Cinda.
And there's our fresh spring roll. What do you think?
Cool.
Does that look good?
You eat it.
Oh, I get to eat it?
Yeah.
Oh, well, you know what? I'm going to set it right here.
Miss Cinda,
What, Pei-Ying?
I did that before at my house.
You did. Okay, I'm going to give you guys each water.
I want to do it my own self.
You all are going to get to do it your own self.
Yay.
Okay, I'm going to give you water. And
this?
all right, you know what? Because you want your water, hold that. Now start dipping. Here, Pei-Ying, really careful. Hold yours. And let me get you some water.
I bet all the time.
Okay, Pei-Ying, here's yours.
Too much.
Okay, Carter. Good job, Ben. Oh, you guys are so good. Okay, here's yours, Carter. There you go. Okay. The water's just warm. You're doing good. And you've got to be really careful because do you have enough water, Pei-Ying? Do you want more water?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you need more water?
Yeah. Because
Oh.
not much is coming on for me.
There you go. Now just turn it around and work it good. You're doing good. Keep it. You want to keep it in the water. See how you're.
Miss Cinda.
What, Pei-Ying?
Because this is hot cold water, right?
Well, it's warm water.
Warm water.
That's warm water. We don't want real hot.
water.
We don't want real hot because it would burn our fingers, huh? Okay, careful. Okay, you're almost ready to pick yours. Here, Pei-Ying, let me help you pick it up. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, watch out. Oh, here, let me put it on your plate for you, and let's spread it out real nice, okay? How's yours coming, Ben?
Good.
How are you guys doing?
Good.
Okay, Pei-Ying, you want to put some noodles in now?
Yeah.
And
I'm almost done.
oh, good. You need help, Carter? You have it. Here's you guys' vegetables.
Please help me.
You want me to help you? Sure. Here. You don't want to put a lot in, guys. Okay, now put some carrots in.
Look at mine.
Good, Travis. You want to put some noodles in yours?
Mm-hmm.
Good job. Okay. Okay, you want to put a few more carrots and put some, these are slivered cucumbers. Oh, yummy. That might be a lot of noodles. Here, Carter, let me help you. Huh?
Lettuce.
Oh, you want some lettuce? Let me get some. Oh, can you help her, Travis? Thank you. Okay, Carter, get the rest in.
A little bit, right?
Just one. Nope, just one. Do you guys want lettuce? Do you want some of And I've made some special peanut sauce that when you get yours done, you can eat it and you can dip it in the peanut sauce, okay? Oh, good. Tuck the sides in, Ben. You're doing really good.
Thank you.
Is this fun, guys?
Yeah.
And you know what? This is healthy. Do you need the tofu? You have the tofu? Oh, you ready to roll yours now, Pei-Ying? Oh, no, we're going to dip ours in that. Here. You ready? You want to roll it? Okay, take this over. You do it. Good job. Tuck the sides in. You got it. Tuck the sides in. Remember to tuck the sides in. And then as soon as you get it, see, like this. You want to tuck your sides in and then roll.
I already did mine.
Well, as soon as you get it done, you can dip it in your peanut sauce and eat it.
Like this?
Uh-huh. Good. You guys can do another one if you want, so you can.
I think I've had one of these before.
You do? You just didn't know what it was called, did you? You want to dip it in your peanut sauce?
No, I don't like peanut sauce.
Oh, well, then you don't have to dip it in peanut sauce. How are you doing, Travis? You want some help here?
Yeah. I
Here.
think I maybe put a little bit too much.
No, we can do it. Here, let's go like this. You didn't want carrots?
It's good.
You want carrots in yours?
It's good.
Oh,
We have to hurry.
that's our kitchen timer, isn't it? We're almost out of time. I know, and that means we're almost out of time.
We gotta hurry.
Oh, look. Okay.
Do it quick.
There you go, like that. Now you can dip it in your peanut sauce.
Eat quick.
Oh, no, we don't want to eat quickly because then our tummies will hurt. We can take our time eating. Miss Cinda's made some ahead of time. And you know what? If you help your mommies make these, do you know what you do? You take a paper towel and you wet it, and then you want to cover them. If you're making them ahead of time, cover them with a wet paper towel, okay? Because do you know why I'm covering them with a wet paper towel? Anybody know? Because they'll dry out. And if you cover them with a wet paper towel, they don't dry out. So I have extra so you guys can have extra. What do you think of that?
Cool. Yummy.
Yeah.
Miss Cinda, we have more time now having fun cleaning up.
And we do have fun cleaning up, don't we? And that's part of the fun of being in the kitchen, isn't it? And boys and girls, remember, you can have fun in the kitchen too, and you can have fun cooking, and you can have fun cleaning up, huh? Oh, I think you guys will like these, boys and girls.
Yummy.
And you know what? They're not only yummy, did you know they're healthy?
Yes.
And we need to eat healthy, don't we, boys and girls? Jesus wants us to eat healthy. Oh!
Miss Cinda, that's a kitchen timer.
That's our kitchen timer. That's all the time we have for today, boys and girls. Remember, anytime you can be in the kitchen, it's fun.